Nano Banana has definitely changed the image generation game forever. And Sora too? It redefined the world of AI video generation. Now imagine Nano Banana and Sora 2 combined into one tool. Yes, this is Higgsfield Popcorn, the AI image generator that's about to change filmmaking and storytelling forever. With just a single prompt and a photo, you can now direct an entire cinematic sequence. No broken faces, no mismatched frames, just consistent cinematic visual storytelling. Higgsfield Popcorn is what many are calling the Nano Banana Killer. But is it really? Today, we're putting it to the test to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Can it deliver the same cinematic consistency across different shots? Can it maintain the same character, lighting, and emotion from frame to frame? We're about to find out. And Higgsfield, the team behind it, is one of the fastest growing AI companies in the world. Their mission is building the most creator-friendly platform ever made. And with Popcorn, they're giving creators everything they've been dreaming of. So how does it work? Once you open Popcorn, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface. You can start with a text prompt or upload your own reference photos. From there, you choose between two modes, manual and auto. Auto mode is the fast, fun, and beginner-friendly option. Just upload one or more images. Write your prompt describing the action, something like, "This man on an epic adventure through breathtaking locations." Choose your frame count, aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within seconds, Popcorn gives you up to 8 cohesive cinematic frames that feel like scenes from an animated film. Then there's manual mode, for storytellers who want precision. You can upload up to 4 reference images, define your main character, background, objects, and lighting. Then describe your story scene by scene, giving you full control over every detail. It's more professional. Here's my character in different adventurous locations. Popcorn connects it all, faces, lighting, poses, so your story flows like a real movie. As you can see, each shot maintains perfect visual continuity. Same character, same lighting, same emotion. And if you're not happy with the result, just regenerate it. Now, after creating your scene photos, you can animate your storyboards. Just pick the image you want and click Animate. Inside Higgsfield's ecosystem, you can choose from powerful AI video models like Kling 2.5 and Veo 3.1. You'll find them all there. They let you seamlessly animate your static frames and even generate sound, transforming your storyboard into a living, breathing scene. This is where Higgsfield starts to feel like a complete film studio. Personally, I like the Veo 3.1 output the most, especially since it generates great voices and can even make your characters talk. I like this scene. Let's get more shots for it. Go to Use in Popcorn, add your prompt. I'll go with auto mode and select 6 outputs. And here are the results. Now you have your visuals ready. You can download them, use one as the first frame and another as the last. Here's the result. Pretty good. And if you want to go deeper, you can direct your shots exactly how you imagine them. Want a drone shot? Add aerial to your prompt. For example, let's get an aerial shot for this scene. And look at those new photos. You're not just generating, you're directing. That's what sets Popcorn apart from Sora or Nano Banana. It gives you the power of a true director. I also used it to create a professional photo shoot for this ice cream. And the results honestly blew me away. I just uploaded the ice cream photo, wrote, "Create a professional photo shoot for this ice cream," and look at these shots. The quality is insane. You could easily use them for Instagram posts or even a commercial video, and no one would ever guess they were AI generated. Look at the waffle on top of the ice cream. It stays perfectly consistent in every single photo. Even from the top-down angle, it looks realistic and beautifully detailed. Honestly, I'm impressed by how far AI has come. The level of detail, lighting, and consistency here is next level. It's evolving so fast, faster than anyone expected. Look at this promotion video I created. It's better than ads I see on social media. It's also great at merging photos. For example, I uploaded 2 photos, one of me and one of a cup of popcorn, and made myself hold it across different scenes. Here's what I got. For filmmakers and animators, this means storyboards that stay perfectly consistent from shot to shot. For brands and marketers, it means product visuals with cinematic precision. And for creators like you, it means freedom to build worlds without limits. I also tried it in cartoon and Ghibli style, and it works surprisingly well. This is truly the start of a new era, where AI becomes part of the filmmaking process. I'm excited to see where this goes. If you're excited like me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the future of AI creativity. This is Freeman AI, and I'll see you in the next one.